Hi guys, today we're going to be learning how to make Aloo Methi Parathas. For this recipe, you'll need chopped chilies, handful of cilantro, about 1 cup of methi, fresh or frozen will work, 3 to 4 sprigs of green onions chopped, salt to taste, cumin seeds, garam masala, and ginger powder. You also need 6 small boiled and peeled potatoes, and this should stuff about 8 parathas. We'll start out by mashing our potatoes. We're going to add in the green onions, the methi, green chilies, along with the cilantro. We're going to add in our dry spices now, based on the measurements I gave you guys earlier, but feel free to adjust these to your liking. Make sure to mix the spices thoroughly with your potatoes and methi. To make the paratha, you will need the stuffing, dry flour, and whole wheat dough. Start out by making a round ball from the dough and using the dry flour to help you roll it out. Rolling it out will make it easier for you to stuff, and you can use as little or as much of the stuffing as you like. For beginners, I do recommend a smaller quantity. Here you want to go ahead and start pinching the sides of the dough together so that the filling is securely on the inside. Flatten it out now. And once again, we're going to use the dry flour to help us roll out the stuffed dough. Once we have it rolled out thin enough, we're going to go ahead and get it into our frying pan. Once one side of the paratha is cooked, we're going to go ahead and add a few drops of oil and flip it over to the other side. You're going to also have to add a couple of drops of oil on this side as well, and then again you can flip it over to the other side. Now you just want to cook until it's crunchy on both sides, and it shouldn't take more than a minute or so to do that. And there you have it, our recipe for delicious aloo and methi parathas. They go great with a side of pickles, butter, or yogurt. If you like this recipe, please comment and don't forget to like and subscribe.